Hi, I'm Nava. Every morning, I wake up excited. The sun shines through my window, and I can hear birds singing. I quickly get ready, put on my favorite red dress, grab my backpack, and rush downstairs. Breakfast is my favorite, pancakes and honey. I live near my school, so I walk there with my best friend Lily. We talk about our plans for the day and share funny stories. When we reach the school gate, we see our favorite teacher, Mrs. Davis, greeting everyone with a big smile. First class is English, and we read a fun story about talking animals. I love how our teacher makes learning so interesting. During the break, Lily and I play tag in the schoolyard. It's always so much fun running around with friends. After lunch, we have art class. Today, we're making colorful drawings. I choose to draw a big, smiling sun. Mrs. Johnson says it's fantastic, and it makes me really happy. In the afternoon, we have a science experiment in the lab. We mix different liquids and watch them change colors. It's like magic. Lily and I high-five each other when our experiment works perfectly. As the school day ends, I feel grateful for the wonderful friends and teachers I have. Lily and I walk home together, talking about the exciting things we learned. I can't wait for tomorrow to have more adventures at my awesome school.